Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best LVP scratch repair is probably one of the most common issues faced by homeowners with luxury vinyl plank flooring. Scratches can detract from the beauty of your floors, but thankfully, there are effective ways to address them. In this video, we'll explore the best methods for repairing scratches in LVP flooring, from minor surface scratches to deeper gouges, ensuring your floors look their best. Number 5. Rejuvenate All Floors Restorer 32 ounces. Tired of scratched and dull floors? This product is designed to fill in those unsightly scratches. It also adds a beautiful shine and protects your floors. Forget the hassle of sanding. This product offers a quick and easy solution. It restores your floors without any sanding required. Whether you have hardwood, laminate, vinyl, or tile, this product is perfect for you. It's designed to work on all floor types, providing a consistent shine and protection. Applying this product is incredibly simple. A single coat is all it takes to fill scratches, shine, and protect your floors. It's a quick and easy process. This special formula revitalizes your floors, giving them long-lasting protection. It will keep your floors looking their best for a long time. For the best results, use this product with Rejuvenate specialized cleaners. This will help maintain your restored floors and keep them looking great. You can use this product with peace of mind. It's safe for both pets and kids when used according to the product label's directions. What we like. This product is a great choice for anyone looking to quickly refresh their floors. It fills in those annoying scratches and protects the surface, bringing back the shine. If you're looking for an easy, one-step solution to revitalize your floors, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. Brought out the colors in the floor and gave it a nice shine. It has a good shine and protects the floors from dirt being embedded in them. Seals pretty good, just make sure to clean up good so you don't get debris trapped. Number 4. Rejuvenate Luxury Vinyl Floor Cleaner Refill. This cleaner is specially formulated to gently clean your luxury vinyl floors. It's pH balanced to ensure it effectively cleans without causing any damage. Enjoy the delightful aroma of fresh citrus after every clean. This cleaner revitalizes your floors, leaving a pleasant scent throughout your home. Get great value with this 1-gallon refill. It's designed to refill your 32-ounce bottle of Rejuvenate Luxury Vinyl Floor Cleaner, saving you money. The no-streak formula dries quickly, providing a brilliant clean. It deeply cleans everyday dirt, grime, and oil, leaving your floors spotless. This cleaner is safe for use around pets and kids when used as directed. You can have peace of mind knowing it's a safe choice for your family. What we like. This cleaner is designed specifically for luxury vinyl floors, ensuring a gentle yet effective clean. It leaves behind a refreshing citrus scent, making your home smell amazing. If you like a clean, fresh-smelling home and want to maintain the beauty of your vinyl floors, you should consider this. What people say. This is a great product for our brand new luxury vinyl plank flooring. It cleans without leaving any streaks and leaves a soft shine. Works well. No sticky residue. Only need a bit. Goes a long way. I use a sprayer diluted. Used on my flooring, cleaned it beautiful. I have tried other cleaners, none worked, but this one did. Number 3. Lucida Surfces Peel and Stick Luxury Vinyl Flooring. Introducing Base Core Flooring from Lucida USA. This peel and stick flooring option is strong at the core and stylish on the surface. It provides rigid core performance. Get the look and feel of natural wood flooring. These DIY adhesive planks feature microbevel edges and HD film prints, creating a realistic wood floor appearance. These planks are 100% waterproof and super easy to clean. You can easily maintain the beauty of your floors with minimal effort. The Core Bond glue binds the multi-layer system for long-lasting wear. It is topped with a 12mm wear layer and coated with 2x UV, finished with urethane and ceramic bead for commercial-grade strength. Peel and stick them down to practically any surface. Each tile measures 2 mm thick, 6-inch width x 36 length, with 36 planks per box, covering 54 square feet. It also comes with a 5-year limited residential warranty. What we like. These tiles offer the look of real wood with the convenience of peel and stick installation. They are also waterproof and scratch resistant, making them ideal for high-traffic areas. If you are looking for a DIY-friendly flooring solution that combines style and durability, this is the one for you. What people say. Great quality, looks gorgeous, easy to install, looks like real wood. The material cut best with a scissors. Install was a breeze. Cutting was easy with just a box knife. Number 2. REALINN Wood Furniture Repair Kit, 28 pieces. Tired of scratches and imperfections on your wooden furniture? This kit is designed to help you easily repair all levels of damage yourself. It's a comprehensive solution for restoring your furniture to its former glory. This kit includes everything you need. It comes with touch-up fillers, markers, wood putty, beeswax, brushes, sandpaper, a sponge, and a scraper. It's a complete set for various types of wood damage. Whether it's scratches, chips, cracks, holes, or discoloration, this kit can handle it. It's suitable for wooden floors, doors, desks, chairs, and more. You can revive almost any wooden item. The application is simple. Just apply the filler, smooth it with the scraper, and use the markers for touch-ups. The process is straightforward, making it easy for anyone to use. With a wide range of colors for both fillers and markers, you can find the perfect match. You can also mix the colors to achieve the exact shade you need. This ensures a seamless repair. For the perfect color match, start with lighter fillers and gradually add darker ones. Observe the color changes until you achieve the desired shade. This will help you get the best results. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to repair various damages on wooden furniture. It includes fillers, markers, and tools to address scratches, cracks, and discoloration. If you have wooden furniture that needs some TLC, this kit will help you restore it to its former glory. What people say. Used several of the items already. I've used the filler tubes, brush, putty knife and markers with pretty great results. This kit is great. It comes with lots of different colors so you can mix them together, but the 2 colors I tried alone were still better than most of the other wood repair markers I tried. They just look more like actual wood tones instead of being unnaturally orange. Huge assortment of colors. If we don't have exact color needed, we will be able to blend from this assortment to create another color needed. Number 1. Katzco 34-piece wood repair kit. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for furniture touch-ups. It comes with markers, wax crayons, wood fillers, and applicators. It's the perfect solution for minor imperfections. The kit offers a range of colors to match various wood finishes. You can easily blend these to achieve a seamless repair. This ensures the fix blends perfectly with the existing surface. Use the markers and fillers to fix scratches and blemishes on wood surfaces. It's ideal for floors, desks, and bedposts. This keeps your furniture looking its best. Each marker is 5.5 inches long, providing full coverage. They dry quickly without leaving any residue. This makes the application process easy and efficient. The wax crayons are made with durable materials to fill deep scratches. This creates a smooth, polished finish that matches the wood grain. It's designed to last and look great. What we like. This set offers a wide range of colors to match different wood finishes, allowing for precise repairs. It includes markers, wax crayons, and fillers for comprehensive scratch repair. If you're looking for a versatile and easy-to-use solution for minor scratches and blemishes on your wood surfaces, this is a great choice. What people say. The furniture markers work great. My advice upon marking an area is to use your finger immediately to wipe over it. These wood filler paints are beyond amazing. It did a great job at covering up the scratches, and some are also not noticeable anymore. It has a good amount of colors to choose from. We ended up having to mix 2 of them to get the color we needed, and it came out really good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.